Dr. Justin here, and just wanted to create a little video. I'm so pleased. I just recorded workshop day number 2's material tonight, and I'm so happy to be able to share it. It has been a work in progress for the last 20 years. I'm sharing information you're never going to see anywhere else. If you're a doctor, a chiropractor, a PT, an acu, a naturopath, and you're treating upper back pain patients, do yourself a favor and check this out. You're never going to see material like this anywhere else. This is based on 20 years of my own clinical experience. And what's going to happen next week is we are going to do the trapeze technique webinar that nobody has seen before. So every day of the workshop, there are 3 downloads. It's totally free, doesn't cost anything. And there will be a link to be able to access that somewhere below the video. Everybody have a nice night.